If you want to change your profile picture on Whop, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can update your avatar in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to refresh your profile, make your account look more professional, or just switch to a picture you like better. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. First, go to whop.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This part is important because you want to start from the main dashboard before opening your profile settings. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile avatar or icon. Click on that profile avatar to open your account menu. From there, find the gear icon located directly to the right of your username. Click that gear icon to open your account settings and head into the Edit Profile page. Once your profile settings page opens, look near the top of the page for your current circular profile picture. It should be positioned just below the banner area. Here's the key part. There is no separate edit button for the picture. Instead, you simply click directly on the profile image itself. When you do that, your File Explorer will open, allowing you to choose a new image from your device. Browse through your files and select the picture you want to use. Ideally, pick a clear image that looks good in a small circular format, since that's how your profile photo will appear across Whop. After selecting your new image, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page. You'll find the Save Changes button there. Click Save Changes to permanently apply your new profile picture. Once that's done, your updated avatar should now appear on your Whop profile. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your profile picture on Whop. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step walkthroughs, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.